Okay, I'm not ready yet. We just had this red-tailed hawk arrive at one of the evergreen trees at the Last Word Ranch. Crows are harassing it, so I don't know how long it's going to stay there. And he's up there. Okay, first blue jay down. Back down again. And he's going to take all of them. Hey, that's lucky then. Go ahead, take it. No? Okay. He's trying. Come on, Speedy. No, the blue jay. Speedy down at the sidewalk. Very good. Okay, the hawk is still on the evergreen tree in front of the Last Word Ranch. We've walked just a little bit past the northern site.
Morning.
So hoping that it turns out to be better. Better lighting. Blue jay down at southern site. Yeah, that's yours. Yep, blue jay down took the last worm that Jay put down. Okay. That's it. Take a peanut if you want something more. That's it. Peanuts. We're at Fluffy's and she's here. She actually met us as we made our way to her area. Treats are down. I topped off her water dish. It was a little low, but it still had some water. We have a red-tailed hawk on the bare branch tree on the hillside behind Alviso Adobe Park. Jay pointed out as we entered into the park. And he's over there. The usual kind of bunny we see here. Almost looks like somebody's pet. See cottontails, but this is different. Yeah, you're interesting. Okay, we have a second one of these not normal cottontail rabbits. So I'm wondering if we have a non-cottontail rabbit family that's having babies. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi there. There's plenty of stuff for it to eat here, so the cottontails live nicely between the church and the park, so they'll be fine. Okay, we have a red-tailed hawk on the cross of the church next door to Elvis Adobe Park. We're in the picnic area. And he's over there. Okay, there's a wild turkey on the hillside behind the church next to Elvis Adobe Park. We're in the back area of the park. All I can really see because of the tall grass is its long neck and head at the end. A little bit of its body. It's on the southern side of the hillside behind the church. There also was a turkey that was on the northern side, but it disappeared in the bushes before I was able to turn on my camera and get it.
There we go. Turkey, and I'm seeing 3 young poults, maybe more nearby. 4. So I'm not going to put an exact number, just know that we got babies. Okay, over there as well. Okay.
Okay, blue jay's coming down. In the back area of the park, and blue jay has decided to take the worms. Looks like all of them. Come on, little song sparrow. Come get something to eat. Yeah, no worms, but we got the cat food. Fluffy's and she's here. Yeah. Fluffy girl. Fluffy. Yes, you're so good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are a good girl. Okay, Fluffy, I'm gonna go put some dry food down for you. Come on, Speedy.
Good bird.
Excellent, Speedy.
Very good.